If you would like to split screen like I am, you should go on Google Classroom or other platforms, then double click the home button, then drag if you want to look on Safari to look up something, like a definition or anything, then you would press on that, and it would show new tab and everything, then you'll drag it up, you will put it on Google Classroom, and then you can put it to the side like that, and then you can either make it big or small, like that size, and then you can go into whatever assignment you need to do and finish it. That is how you split screen on an iPad. Thank you for listening. I hope it helps. It will help the students when they are older going into high school or any colleges.